Hello, it's Adam here from Satnav Systems, and today we have a Audi A5 Cabriolet with a sound issue. As you can see, I'm trying to adjust the sound on this concert radio and the volume is not changing at all. I can press the button to disable the sound so the icon comes up there, but there's no sound whatsoever in the car. It's a common issue on these systems, and we can hear from the back in the boot that the amplifier is making a noise, which just indicates the amplifier is faulty. It's a common issue which we do fix here at Satnav Systems. So if you have any similar issue like this, just get in contact with us. We'll be happy to assist you at very competitive prices. Thank you.